Okay, now it's time to take a deeper look at some affiliate platforms. But at first, I want to give you a brief overview because there are like few hundreds, maybe even thousand affiliate programs you could use. Of course, depending on your niche, maybe only a couple of hundreds or only 5 or 10 maybe, depending on your niche, of course. But some of the biggest ones nearly everybody can use because they collect multiple products on one website. And I'm talking about, for example, Amazon. That is like the biggest online shop in the world. And you also can use their affiliate program. It is true that the bigger the shop or the bigger the program, most often the commission isn't that high. And that's the case for Amazon. You get here about, I think, 5 to 14% depending on the product category. But still, people trust the shop. So for the trust people anyway have in the shop, you will get less commission. For some scammy products on other websites, you might get 80% commission, but when nobody trusts the shop and nobody buys a product, still you won't make a sale. So Amazon, and we will take a look into that program anyway in a bit, is a really good start because here everybody knows the shop and everybody knows the products. Digistore is also, at least on the German market, very popular. And also for the English market, it has multiple online products. So Digistore is only for online. Here you have, for example, books, but as an ebook or PDF to download, or video courses, or for example, let's click here on computer and internet. You have an ebook. You have OpenAI GPT for Python developers, again an ebook, and so on and so on. And here you see your commission, in this case 8.5 euros. You see some more data. We will take a look at that anyway also later. And when I click on the sales page, you also see the landing page. So Digistore is also a good way to get some online products. Here for dog, for example, perfect guide for imperfect dog owners. You get a 50% commission. And you always see the landing page. Here you really have to dig deeper because the landing pages sometimes really don't look too good. But when you find the right product with a good landing page, it can really be a good program. ClickBank, that is the most common and right behind Amazon biggest affiliate program for English speaking affiliates. So in the US, but also actually for the whole world. And this is again a bit like Digistore, a big platform that combines multiple programs together. We will take a look at that as well. Avin is also a good program. Again, here that's like a collection of different programs combined, but you get the link and all that stuff from Avin. So companies offer their affiliate products here, and you as an advertiser, as an affiliate, can decide on a product and get the link from Avin. So they are basically the connector, just like here with ClickBank, just like here with Digistore. And these things, these connector platforms, are a good start. Of course, you can also go on the shop directly, like here for Shutterstock, which is a picture platform. So here you can search for a specific picture and then buy the picture to use it for commercial stuff. And also this website has an affiliate program. And this would be not a platform like Awin or ClickBank, where you have a connector in between, but this is directly Shutterstock offering their affiliate partnership or their affiliate program. So here you don't have a connector. Of course, you have different commissions and different types of landing pages, different products for the different affiliate platforms. That is why we won't only take a look at 1 or 2 programs, but rather a couple more to really give you a deeper insight. There are also special programs like, for example, for apartments, for credits, and so on and so on. So really high price products that you can use. But for the beginning, and also to give you some beginner's insights, it's good to know the basics. And basics are, take it like that, are these platforms here, ClickBank, Awin, Amazon, to start, because you won't make a sale with a credit affiliate program that maybe costs 1,000 euros or something when you don't have any experience with affiliate marketing. So rather start with these ones, and I will explain to you some of the websites in a bit.